Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used Golf SE Nav. This model is a 1.4 litre petrol DSG, 125 PS, finished in a deep black pale paint, which is an additional feature on this model. It does come with your 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I will be giving you a 360-degree walk around and then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features. So starting at the front, we have your rain sensors for added ease for the driver. And then taking around, we have these 17-inch alloy wheels, which are an additional feature. These are finished in silver, contrasting nicely against the black paint. Then moving further down the vehicles, we do have your body coloured door mirrors featuring your integrated indicators. And then taking a glance inside the interiors, we do have your zoom and microcloth upholstery. This is an additional feature on this model. We have the centre seat acting as an armrest for additional comfort. And as you can see, we have plenty of space in the back for 3 passengers travelling. Another great additional feature does include your rear parking camera. Then you also have the support from your front and rear parking sensors. You'll never need to put parking up again. Moving on to your boot, so you'll not be disappointed. You have enough room to easily fit in your weekly shopping trips. The floor is also variable and the rear seats also fold down. You've got your load through as well to store anything long. This Golf has covered just over 31,900 miles. And then taking a glance inside the front interior, so we do have a multi-function steering wheel and then we've got your cloth finish followed into the front. There are manual adjustments available for you and your front passengers to find the most comfortable position. And then another great additional feature does include your panoramic sunroof, which really brightens up the interior and will enhance your experience even further. So that does conclude the first part of the video. So in the second part, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on all the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, we have your electric mirror and window adjustments and the central locking in the driver's door. Got your automatic lights, which will ensure they're always on at the correct times. And then moving on to your multi-function steering wheel. So here we can access some of the features whilst keeping our focus directly ahead. So here we can access your adaptive cruise control, which will make motorway driving that bit more relaxing as it will allow you to take your feet off the pedals. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customise your digital dash display screen. This is in the centre of your instrument cluster. So here we can find your key driver information and settings. So we can see things such as your navigation, your vehicle status and driving data. Then moving over to the centre, so here we have your infotainment system where we can access a wide range of features that are available on this Golf SE Nav. So as a standard option, we do have your DAB, FM and AM radio. You do also have the option to pair your phone to the car via Bluetooth to listen to your own music. Or you can make hands-free calls nice and safely on the go. Another great feature does include your app connection, so you can seamlessly display your phone apps through the car, such as your music, maps, contacts and messages. You've also got your satellite navigation, which will help you when planning your routes. And then another great feature is your driver mode selection. So this offers you 4 preset options to choose your driving style, which will enhance your experience. When popping the car into reverse, your rear parking camera will appear on the screen. Then you do have the additional support from your front and rear parking sensors. So this will help you when parking up. So just below we have your manual air conditioning system. That's an easy reach by both yourself and your front passenger. And then moving further down, we do have a wireless smartphone charger with 2 USB ports, which is an additional feature on this fantastic model. And as you can see, this car is automatic. And then we do also have an electronic park brake with auto hold for added ease for the driver. We've also got a 12-volt socket, some hidden cup holders. And then we've also got some additional storage space underneath your armrest. So thank you for watching this video in this Volkswagen approved used Golf SE Nav, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.